Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can edit Gcode in Bambu Studio. Now, of course, the first thing that you need is an actual programming language. I recommend using the Visual Studio Code or the Microsoft Code. Now, it's going to be Visual Studio Code right here. I believe you can get this inside the App Store or the Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and search for the Visual Studio, and then you could get the application right here. Right after, let's now head over to our Bambu Studio. So let me just go ahead and open it up real quick. And basically from here, I'm just going to click on the slice plate option, and I'm actually going to extract my G-code. So it's going to be on to this page. And you could do that by clicking on the drop-down menu on the slice plate option. You could select something like export plate styles file or the export all sliced file. I'm going to click on the last option, click on the option right here, and basically we're able to save it to wherever we want to. In my case, I'm going to be saving it inside my documents. Right after, you then want to open up that file location. Look for your G-code, so you can just double click on it and it will actually prompt us with this menu. You can then look for the Visual Studio Code, and right after we could simply edit this the way we want to. So as you can see right here, let's click on our code, click on open anyway, and of course you're good to go. Now you can also try doing this with a notepad. So you just want to right click on your G-code, click on edit in notepad, and then we could do the same thing, which is to edit it in notepad, but I have a lot more success editing it inside something like Virtual Studio. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.